Okay, so some of you are still having trouble with the Mac, so I just went out here. I'm in student view. I'm going to try to troubleshoot for you. I am in Chrome, and this is for my, one of my 111s had an assignment last week, so let me just go back into January, and I'm going to pull it up. Okay, and then all I do is click this.
¿Cómo estás?
And then this. Muy bien, gracias. And it seems I didn't have to do anything and it's already working. Muy bien, gracias. But the other things I could suggest that you do, because I'm just not understanding why some of you with Macs are having trouble, is to go back to today's view, to do your browser tune-up. Okay, you need to make sure that all of these are okay. Then you do the confirm that you're able to record. If you do this, that lets you know for a fact that you can record. The thing that I'm most concerned about is maybe you guys aren't turning off pop-up blockers. So, oh, whoops, I did not mean to hit that. Sorry. I meant to do this one. Okay, so you should have a little box pop up like this. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay, so if that's been done, then you should be able to record. If you're still having trouble recording, more than likely it's your pop-up, so you want to go under your pop-up blockers. I'm in Chrome, so I would click on Chrome. If you're doing it in Firefox, click on Firefox. If you're doing it in Safari, MyLangaugeLabs works best with Chrome and Firefox. So if you guys are trying to do it in Safari, I would suggest downloading a different internet browser. That could possibly help as well. But since I'm in Chrome, we're just going to go by the step-by-step how to turn off the pop-up blockers. And it gives me, I'm going to go step 1. I'm going to go up here to this little block, and then I'm going to go to settings, which is step 2. Then I am going to go to content settings and allow sites to show pop-ups. Okay, so let's see if I can find it. So I'm going to go up here. Oh, it's actually here. I'm sorry. Here, I'm going to go to settings. So it's not this little, I think on the Mac, well, I actually think in the PC it looks a little different too. It's not this right here. It's actually right here, these 3 little bars, or these 3 little dots. So click on that, go to settings, go to advanced settings. Okay, and I forgot where I need to go next. Okay, so I went into advanced settings. I'm going to go to content settings. Content settings. And then it says, I'm going to go allow, so inside, so content settings. Then in the pop-up section, allow all sites to show pop-ups. I don't know if, let's see, pop-ups. Allow all sites, microphone default, camera. I'm not sure with the Mac if it's even an issue. But if so, then we just need to go on the oh, here it is. Allow all sites to show pop-up. So make sure when you go under the in advanced settings under content settings that you find pop-ups and click on allow all sites to show pop-ups. If you don't do that, then this assignment isn't going to work. So hopefully that will help. But since we're out here, let's go ahead and look at let's do Firefox as well. Okay, so I'm going to get out of this, all of these. Okay, and now I'm going to go into Firefox. I'm going to do the same thing again. Okay, I'm just gonna go into MyLangaugeLabs and I'm gonna sign in. Okay, and I'm going to go into mine. You can see I've got tons of sections. I'm going to go into the same course, so I'm going to have to go in and delete out my submission so that we can see it. So let me, whoops. Sorry, wrong day. Actually, let me go in a different class. Hold on. I'm not sure how to pause this video, and I do not want to show you other people's grades, so hopefully I haven't done it on this one. So we will, I'm going to go to student view. So I'm going in as a student. I'm going to go back here because I know I had one due on the 26th. I am going to, actually before I do that, let's go ahead and walk through your browser tune-up. Let's see if it's ready. Looks like everything's ready out here. I'm going to do my voice tool again. Testing 1, 2. Okay, so here it says, would you like to share your microphone with Learnosity? So I have to allow it. Okay, so this one's giving me some trouble. So it may be an issue with Firefox. And I'm not sure where I go in to allow it. Let's try again. Okay, default built-in microphone. Let's do always share. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay, so now everything should be set up. It tells me that my pop-ups are allowed, but again, if you're having issues with pop-ups, we can go back into that disabled pop-up blockers. This is for Firefox, so this time when I scroll down, instead of picking Chrome, I'm going to pick Firefox, and I'm going to walk through the steps that I need to turn off my pop-up blockers, which it looks like this computer already has them turned off, but I'm going to click on this little menu right here. I'm going to find pop-ups, so I'm going to go here, then choose options. Where am I going to go first? Open Firefox, click on that menu and choose options. Customize. Let's see here. So, alright, this one is a little bit more confusing to me, so alright, so I'm not sure where it's seeing options. Preferences. Let's look through here. Applications, privacy, security. feel like it's either security or privacy. Let's try Alright, so I know the pop-ups are allowed on this one, so I am going to stop it here and do another video in a minute. I've got to figure out how to do the pop-ups, how to turn off pop-ups in Firefox. So I'm going to stop this one here and figure it out, and then I'll make another video in a minute.